Okay, I'm going to warn you ahead of time that examples 3B and 3C are really, really labor intensive and will probably take you watching them 3 or 4 times to get through them. So just bear with me, and hopefully my explanations will be enough that if you watch it 2 or 3 times, it will make sense what I'm doing. Okay, for this one, what you will notice is that the radicands are not the same, so we can't do anything with those. And our indices are not the same, so we can't do anything with those. So this looks like a pretty impossible problem. However, the secret here is knowing that 8 is equal to 2 cubed. So if you know that 8 is equal to 2 cubed, you can rewrite this as the sixth root of 2 cubed x times the cube root of 2x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite our radicals with rational exponents. So we would have 2 cubed to the 1/6, x to the 1/6, and 2 to the 1/3, x to the 1/3. And remember, there's multiplication in all of these. Now I need to fix or reduce this little 2 that has a double exponent. So to do that, we're going to multiply our 3 and our 1/6, which is going to give us 2 to the 1/2. And then we have x to the 1/6, 2 to the 1/3, x to the 1/3. So now our bases are the same. We've got 2 2's and 2 x's. So I can put my 2 2's next to each other and my x's next to each other. And at this point, we can go back to our rule, which is our product property that says if we have the same, or the product of powers, which says if we have the same base, we just have to add our exponents. So we get 2 to the 1/2 plus 1/3 and x to the 1/6 plus 1/3. And again, I can do these really fast in my head. If you can't, you can pause me and use your calculator. But this is going to be 2 to the 5/6, and this is going to be x to the 3/6. Now, you might think, oh, I'm done, but you're not, because in order to get into reduced radical form, we need them to be in a radical. Now that we've gotten these here and our denominators are the same, we can make that 6 our index, and then our numerators become our exponents on the inside. And then to reduce it completely, we need to solve for 2 to the 5th, which is 32x cubed. Okay, now, like I told you, 3C is a booger. So here we go. Strap on your I can do it, and let's get going. So with this one, we have a cube root here, which means that we've got to somehow figure out how to not have this be a cube root in the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to multiply by the